So hello and welcome back. Today is the Vetyver soap making. This is a very masculine, nice classic fragrance, very oceany, very clean. So I'm gonna add the lye water into the oils. You can find the recipe down in the description box below if you are interested to have the same recipe. So I'm going to put the stick blender and mix to emulsion. Okay, so we're gonna split up the batch in 3 different colors. We're gonna make a little bit black, a little black accent, and then we're gonna have a bigger part that is going to be blue. So for the blue I'm using ultramarine pigment. For the black I'm using black iron oxide, and for the white part I'm using titanium dioxide mixed with water. So we're going to give it a blend and see if we need to add more to it, starting from the lightest color. Give a little bit more of titanium dioxide. That's good. Then the blue. And then the black. Just gonna make sure that nothing sticks to the sides. And same for these here. I like this color. I don't want it to be like a super bright blue. I prefer like this jeans kind of denim fabric look that this has. It's very nice for a masculine soap, I think. And then the black. Okay, so we're gonna add now the fragrance oil, which is Vetyver from Brambleberry, and I'm gonna just stir it in by hand. We want to do in the pot swirl, so I like the soap to be rather fluid for this. Smells a bit classic, amazing, I love it. And if you want to do it in the pot swirl, I find that it is easier if you soap like at room temperature. Makes it easier to keep it really nice and fluid. Alright, so let's get our mold over here. This is the Brambleberry 5-pound mold. Alright, so now before we start, I'm going to really see well what I'm doing here. I'm going to shift you a little bit up just for this part here. better what I'm doing here. Okay, so from shift it like this. I'm gonna pour pretty high with this funnel picture. You can find where you can buy this one down in the description box as well. I'm gonna pour it from quite high. Just pour in like so. And then the same with the black one. Just gonna be saving a little bit for our top. Alright, so now I'm gonna give it one mix like this. And then just pour into the mold. Okay, we give it a little bit of a shake. I like when the top is a little bit more solid. You can do textures with it, you know. I prefer it much better for than how can I say, like a flat type of top. I'm gonna be adding the rest of the black on top for a little accent. A very funny thing is, I mean, this is a man's soap, yeah, obviously. And also, like, you can also use it if you're a lady, it's not a problem. But what I have found is that men are quite particular about their soap and toiletries. You could not, maybe not imagine, but they really love to have, like when they have one thing that they think, oh, this is good for me, then they stay at it and they're not gonna change it. So I have some gentlemen that just use my soap, and then when they started to use this one, they don't change it for no other soap. So I'm gonna push it down again. So you can see how I like to texture this type of top. I have a chopstick, which is a bit bigger than usual, and then I just go and somehow I improvise. And I can always go back and see if there is too much color in one place. I mean, anyways, this is gonna be cut afterwards, so it's not that you're gonna exactly see the pattern on top. Right, so this is the Vetyver soap we're gonna wait 24 hours for unmolding and then cutting the soap. So see you in a minute, in a second. So I'm gonna spritz it with rubbing alcohol on the top, just to prevent soda ash. And then we're gonna wait 24 hours for unmolding. Alright, so it's the next day. I'm really curious to find out how this Vetyver soap turned out. So this is the Brambleberry. This is the Brambleberry 5-pound mold, and it has a bottom where you can slide the bottom out like so. And then it's very practical. You can remove the sides, and then the silicone liner inside is very easy to peel off, and you can easily find out if the soap is ready to unmold or not. If it's sticking to the side, you rather leave it a little bit longer, and then you should be good to go.